Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Honda Civic 1 litre SR. This is the VTEC model. This car's finished in Rallye red. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, front parking sensors, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome finish around the door tops, rear privacy glass, shark fin roof aerial, rear spoiler. You've got the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear side. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with lighter grey centre stripe. You've got light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Centre armrest with 2 cup holders. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving down to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. Into the rear load area, you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, retractable boot blind, moving around to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. This car's also got electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the controls for turning the parking sensors off, traction control off, lane departure, and you've also got the crash detection mode. Electric control for the bolster of the rear seat, rear of the front seat, centre armrest, and when you lift the centre armrest up there's a USB plug-in point for access from the rear passengers. So this car's done 31,822 miles. Controls on the centre console for the eco mode, stop start deactivation switch. Then you've got the control for the electronic handbrake and the brake hold when setting off. Home page for the media system. So on there you've got, on the audio, you've got FM, long wave, medium wave, DAB, you've got USB, plugins, HDMI plug-in. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device, and you can also have hands-free phone operation. Full screen navigation. View from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. You've got the plugins for the USB and HDMI leads. The other side you've got the plug-in for the 12 volts accessories. Automatic headlamps, rain sensitive wipers, controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. You've also got adaptive cruise control. On the other side you've got the controls for the radio, for volume control, station selection, etc. Answering and rejecting phone calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Heater controls for setting the fan speed, direction of where you want the air to blow, air conditioning on or off, etc. Moving back outside the car again. Moving forward to the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.